Gio will pour the coconut milk later.
We will put the coconut milk.
Okay. Slowly. Pour everything. Pour everything. Like that. The other one. Ay, baliktad. It's baliktad. What are you cooking? What is Gio cooking? Mommy will fix. Say.
We will put okra.
Slowly. Yes, slowly.
I shouldn't this
Slowly. You're not throw. Okay. Mommy na? Pour it. Okay.
Put the aloo bati.
Aloo bati. Pour. Oh, you have some. Good job. Now, Mommy will mix. Are you excited to eat vegetables? Do you love vegetables? Do you love vegetables?